How's it going, everyone? Today, we're going to take a look at the January 2021 UFO box from Alien3d. And now this is a monthly 3D printer subscription where they send you random filaments, a 3D printing project. Sometimes you get some random 3D printer parts. There's some stickers, some candy, a bunch of good stuff. I know what you're thinking. January 2021 box, and this is the beginning of February. I know. Well, we got to talk about that. The delay on the sending of the boxes is ultimately the reason why I decided to cancel my subscription this month. Now, I've been a part of the Alien3d UFO program since, I believe, October of 2020. And since then, every single box has been delayed. Now, as a business owner myself that runs a small 3D printing company, I understand delays can happen from time to time. Me personally, I pride myself on getting my shipments out the same day before a certain time, and I've only missed one time, and that was because we got a 2 feet of snow blizzard that basically shut down the roads, so I physically wasn't able to get out there. What I mean by this is I understand things happen. You know, we're all human, things happen, delays happen, COVID happens, it's okay to have some delays. But when it's every single month, October, November, December, now January, and to be honest, I'm pretty sure I saw on social media that February was going to be delayed too. Well, that's a problem, and it shows, a lack of care towards the program itself. While I did get a good amount of value from the box itself, and the contents of the box were personally what I felt to be worth the $35 a month, I just don't feel like supporting a company that I don't feel is putting their all into their products and, doing their best to get it out every single month. 1 or 2 months, occasionally late, I can see that, whatever, no big deal. 3, 4 months, 5 months back to back, consistently late, there's a habitual problem there, guys. So now that we got that out of the way, unfortunately I won't be doing any more unboxings after this from Alien3d. I will continue to support them because they do have good filament, and I do like Josh as a person. I've gone back and forth with him on Instagram quite a few times, basically just asking questions on where is my UFO box. He seems like a nice dude, and I'm sure he's got a lot on his plate. It's veteran owned. I do like the company itself, but I just can't support their UFO program anymore. So with that being said, my name's Alex. This is Modified 3D. Let's get into the unboxing. So we got our January box here. Let's go ahead and open it up. See what we got. As far as filaments, this is personally my favorite part of the box. We have from Extrude Simple Green PLA NX2. Nice little lime green there. We got a nice little dull purple. This is from GST3D, Global Solutions Technology. It says Violet, PLA Plus. Really nice purple there, guys. I do enjoy that look. It reminds me a lot of, let me just pull this spool over here, this Overture PLA. Just a little bit lighter. I've been using that a lot lately. We got some KVP translucent black sparkle, and this, I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up or not, guys, but this has a really nice little gold sparkle kind of inside that. Personally, I've never used a sparkle filament, so I'm really excited to try this one out. And we got from Open Builds, we have a yellow PLA Plus. I don't have many yellows, so this is nice to have. Just want to take a quick note, guys, kind of expanding on that little rant that I had earlier. This is what I do enjoy when I talk about the value side of the box, is trying new filaments that I would have never ordered myself personally beforehand. Like this black sparkle. Seems like a pretty cool filament. This is where you're getting your value when it comes to these UFO boxes. What else we got? We got, looks like some little chip here. This is going to be part of the 3D printed project. We've got a sticker from Open Builds. Little piece of candy. We got a USB, micro USB cable here. That's going to be for the project. Got another sticker from 3D HP. And we get a little note here from Josh himself, just basically explaining what's in the box. Little threaded inserts to put inside of 3D printed parts. So this is going to be more for the monthly build project. And that is it. So, not really too much in this box, guys. We got a couple nice filaments. Value these at about $5 a piece, so maybe $20 there. A couple dollars in inserts, whatever this is. So we maybe didn't hit our $35 mark this month, but I will say, I'll be honest, this filament looks really cool, and I wish that my GoPro would pick up the gold sparkle a little bit better. But with that being said, I don't really think there's too much more to say on these UFO box, guys. I'll have a link in the description to where you can get some, but like I said before, ultimately, I'm not going to be ordering them again. So that is it for the January 2021 UFO box. My name is Alex, and this is Modified 3D. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed today's content, please subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Have a good one, guys.